Hello everyone, you are welcome back again to Kele Kitchen. What do we have in today's menu? Yes, this is cheese bread, fresh cheese bread. This is a recipe that you will like very well. It is very healthy, very delicious and easy to make. Yes. One thing lovely about this snack is that it can serve as a back to school snacks. It can serve as a food that is breakfast for your family. I would like you to dive in. Let us go straight. If today is your first time, this is Kele Kitchen. Welcome back, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for coming back to watch our videos. And if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. This is Kele Kitchen. Please subscribe to our channel, like our video, share our video, comments. Let us become friends and family. Yeah. As you can see here in Kele Kitchen, we will give you all kinds of yummy, nice food recipes. If you like what you are seeing so far, yes, join me. Let us go into the Kele Kitchen and I will show you the ingredients we use to make this delicious bread. Here are the ingredients that we are going to use to make this delicious bread. In a clean mixing bowl, I have the water. After the water, I have the warm milk. I then add the oil, add the sugar, add the egg, and then you go ahead and mix it very well. After that, I added the yeast. Mix the yeast to dissolve very well. Then after, we go ahead to stiff our flour. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet done that. Click on the notification bell to notify you of our videos whenever we upload any one. And I would like you also to tell us where you are watching this video from, because it will give us some encouragement. So after that, you go ahead to mix the flour, combine it very well, and then it will form a dough. So on your working place, you put the dough and start to knead very well. Here you can take time, knead it between 5 to 10 minutes until you have a soft dough. Yes, remember that slow and steady wins the race. Nothing good comes all that easy. So just with some patience, you will achieve a good soft dough. So after kneading the dough, you put it in your pan, rub some oil on top of it to avoid the dough drying. Then you cover it and allow it to sit for some minutes, like 50 minutes to 1 hour, in a warm place so that it can double in size. Please tell us where you are watching our video from so that we can give you a shout out. And today's shout out goes to Melody Nelima. And our next shout out goes to IBS Remedies. Yes. And the next shout out goes to at Corporate Media U2G. Thanks for watching our video. Yeah. Our dough has doubled in size, so you go ahead, you remove the air and bring it to your work surface so that you can go ahead. Here I divide the dough into 12 portions. Then after dividing the dough, you go and form a ball shape. Bring the dough together. So here is the cheese I use for the filling: 200 fresh cheese and 200 cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. So you can take one of the balls, and then it's time for us to roll. First of all, I used my hand to form some lazy shape to help me to roll it very fast. So with your rolling pin, just roll a rectangular shape of your choice, then you are good to go. So after rolling the dough, you add your cheese on top of your dough, and then you roll and cover it halfway. After that, you use your knife or a pizza cutter and then make some open, as you can see here in this video how I demonstrated it. With your pizza cutter or your knife, make some opening. Then after that, you go ahead and finish rolling your bread. Then after rolling it, you will now make a circle shape, and then we are ready. I'll demonstrate this again so that you will know how everything works out. So I pick another ball of the dough, dust your workplace, use your finger to form some shape to help you and make it easy for you to roll. So I rolled into a rectangular shape with the rolling pin. Then you add the cheese. After adding the cheese, you cover it halfway. Then after halfway, with your pizza cutter or a sharp knife, you make some open in the middle, and then you finish it up. So go ahead and do the rest with all the bread, the balls. After that, when you finish the rest, then it is time for you to do what? To add some egg wash on top of the bread to make it to look very well, to shine and have a nice golden color brown when you finish baking it. So here we are, we have finished rolling all the bread dough. Here I have 1 egg and 1 spoon of milk. So you went ahead, make your egg wash, and then rub the egg wash on top of the bread dough you have finished, and it is ready to be baked. Bake it in a preheated oven, 160 degrees centigrade, and after 25 minutes to 30 minutes, here we are, have a good looking cheese bread. Can you see the color? Can you see how it turned out? Remember, as we said, this bread can serve as a breakfast for your family. It can equally serve as a go back to school snacks. Here you can see how I package it with any packaging bags of your choice you have. You can use it to package this bread, and so lovely. I promise you that once you make this bread for your family, within a few minutes, everything will vanish, and you would like to make this every week. Yeah. So thank you for watching our video. If you are still watching up to this moment, that means you like what you are seeing. Don't forget to like our video, share our video, comment, and subscribe so that we can become family. Thank you for watching our video, and I will see you next time. And bye.